What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Today's video is actually a Bloom Chic try-on haul. I've ordered from them one time in the past before and I absolutely loved everything, and then they reached out and wanted to collaborate and I was like, yes please. So I got 5 pieces, 3 are dresses. I got 1 top and 1 pair of jeans that I will be showing you guys today, and I am so excited. I feel like all of these pieces are perfect for spring, so if you guys have been looking for different spring pieces to add to your wardrobe, I got you. I gotcha. As always with all of my try-on hauls, I leave my measurements in the description box, my bust, my waist, my hips, as well as a link to all the items that I mentioned in the video for ease of shopping. Like I said, I'm very excited to show you guys what I got because I think I got some good stuff. So without further ado, let's get into it. Oh wait, before I move on, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not already. All right, let's get into it. Okay, the first thing I got is this beautiful green dress. I absolutely love this green color. It is just so beautiful. I love it so much. So it is this dress. It has an elastic like band around the bust area and then flows out beautifully. I love the length and the flow of the sleeves as well. I think it's like perfect. And then this is more of a maxi dress. I want to say it hit kind of a little bit lower than mid shin on me. I am 5'7", by the way. I love it also because it does have a small slit going up the leg just to add like a little something something. I ended up picking this dress out in a size 18-20 and I thought the fit was perfect. The only stretchy part of the dress is, like I said, the bust. It has that like elastic band, but this dress, you guys, probably my favorite in this haul. I just love it so much and I absolutely love the color. The next dress I picked up has a similar floral pattern, but it is a really pretty blue color. I feel like this would look so nice for a baby shower, like if you're having a boy, honestly if you're having a girl also, but I know some people like to like color coordinate. I'm one of them. This blue color is just absolutely beautiful because it's not like a baby blue, but it's not like a royal blue. It's like, I don't know, it's just so pretty. This one is made of the same material as that green dress, but it doesn't have like a full-on elastic band through the bust. It is actually a very thin elastic band right under the bust. So it's meant to be, I think, like a little bit more flowy of a dress. The sleeves on this one I am obsessed with because it's kind of like a straight sleeve for a while and then at the end has a little bit of like a ruffle detail. Super, super pretty. Same with the length. It's like a little bit lower than mid shin. Not quite maxi, like it's not touching the floor, but it is definitely a longer dress. This dress also has pockets. I actually don't know if I mentioned that the green one has pockets, but the green dress has pockets. So does this one. There's nothing better than a pocket on a dress. Love that for me. This dress I picked up in a 22-24 because I did go by measurements when I was ordering, and I feel like I could have gotten away with an 18-20. But needless to say, it still fit and it still looked beautiful, and I definitely will be wearing this. Next up is this really pretty dusty pink dress. This one I also picked up in a 22-24 and I feel like I should have done an 18-20. Although this did fit, it looked great. I just feel like it was slightly loosey-goosey. This one has, it kind of comes in like under the bust, has a very thin elastic band. It does have a tie that is honestly there just for looks. It doesn't like cinch you in anymore. And I really love the bottom of the dress, has this like little ruffle panel. It's just like overall like a really pretty dress, like a really pretty dainty dress. This would be another great baby shower dress. I feel like Bloom Chic in general just has dresses that would be perfect for a baby shower or even like a wine tasting weekend. Like I just picture it. I just picture it. This material also is not stretchy, but it does have the elastic through the waistband, like I said. So just love it. I love it. Okay, the last 2 items that I got are actually what I'm wearing right now. The first is this beautiful green blouse. Like it is so nice. It feels so good. It's like a soft, like, I don't even know what material this is, but it's not stretchy. However, it is very flowy. I love the little triangle cutout it has here at the chest. The arms are super big and flowy. The one thing I will say, which is my fault, is I should have sized down to an 18-20. I did get it in a 22-24, like I said, and I feel like it's just like a little bit long and a little loose. However, it's better than being too tight. So I'll definitely still wear it. I'm probably actually gonna wear this to work this week. All right, last item are these jeans, which you're gonna probably not be able to see very well in this little clip. However, I do have a try on portion I will pop up on screen. These jeans are truly some of the most comfortable jeans I've ever worn, and I absolutely love that it has a slit on the inner leg down at the bottom. I think that's just like a fun little touch, and I don't have any jeans like that. These jeans are very stretchy. They have pretty deep pockets in the front. They have pockets in the back. I love the wash of these. They're just so pretty, and I picked these up in a size 24 because I was nervous that if I got a 22 they wouldn't fit. I am glad I got the 24. I don't know, I think they fit so beautifully. I am curious to see how these jeans wear throughout the day, because you know how some jeans, like, you wear them through the day and they're so loose and you wish you would have sized down. So I will keep you guys updated on that, but I mean, so far I've been wearing them for like 20 minutes and so comfortable, you guys, like so comfortable. I just love them. I just flippin' love them. All right, those were the items that I got from Blouse Chic. I hope you guys like them as much as I did. I don't know, like they're just so pretty and like perfect for spring. And I love finding something that I would not only wear like on a weekend, but also maybe to work. So it just kills two birds with one stone. Like I said, I will leave everything that I mentioned in this video linked below. Definitely like check out the Blouse Chic website just all together. They do offer sizes 10 through 30, so they have a very good size range, and they have some really, really cute stuff. I feel like this company has been around a while, but like they just keep getting better and better. So definitely check them out. I will have their website linked below as well. I think that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below which item was your favorite, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.